Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jayden place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face when the AK raise. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Dancehall royalties available on all digital platforms. Make sure someone go support the EP. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, you wanna find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, room. Don't know. For click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog. In truth, now viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel has done it again. The teacher has just scored another top 10 debut on the US reggae album chart, viewers and subscribers, with his new project, Dancehall Royalty. Now the Dancehall Royalty project, the EP, viewers and subscribers, is a 5-song set, and it was released on January 8th for those not in the know. Now it has debuted at number 2, viewers and subscribers, on the sales driven US current reggae albums chart. Now I repeat, the sales driven US current reggae album charts. We now just talk about the people who are going to look on the video. And for the better part, it shows the support, the overwhelming and the worldwide support for Vybz Kartel and his artistry. Now, it also entered the streaming driven Billboard reggae albums chart and is at number 36, viewers and subscribers, in the US current reggae albums charts. Now, viewers and subscribers, it is, yes, viewers and subscribers, the EP is doing extremely well. But I notice say, I not see much media coverage. I want to not tag on your favorite channels and tell them say this is something we need to get highlighted. A Billboard EP reach. A Billboard the EP reach. We do it again. All of who that talk like say yo, alright, the teachers that put out music, so flood the airwaves. No, music with substance. Music that is appreciated by the audience, by the fan base, viewers and subscribers. Give yourself a round of applause. Una stream the EP and una purchase the EP. We know people may spend hundreds. We know people spend thousands of dollars. We know people them grab for them copy and still grab copies for other people. We know people where call people and say, yo, stream the album, stream the album. Big up on yourself. Definitely a good look. Where people already start talk about the next album. Now we are point out this. You see it? It is not just speculation and not just empty statements. Dancehall music can do it with the best of them. And not just reggae we have. We have dancehall too. And the marketing, it is where the music is lacking. The teacher, even from behind the bars, I will show them, say, watching them. Give them a hint on the YouTube and them know say, yo, the project is out there. But put the music where the people have to go and get it, so that we can prove to the industry, prove to the stakeholders, that the people are willing to not only stream the music on the platforms that are free to stream the music, but also on paid platforms as well. Dancehall fans are willing to sign up, get them subscription up, and pay for stream the music and also purchase the singles or the entire album itself. People love and appreciate the craft that much. Them love the genre of music. Now some people me always make a bag of talk and say, yo, ooh, Ray, remember, you know, you have some people who call me off from a heated campaign after me burn the fire upon the system, you know. After I load them and say I to deal with the music side of Gaza affairs. Where them there? Where them there? Miss them here, there, and everywhere. Tell them to focus on the music. So far over here, we have to come highlight these things. These things are things that you talk about. People fear hear them things. If you make them know. So a Billboard the project gone. So that young dancehall artists can know this and say what you know. Even though we know, say some of the artists that may have fought out in the game is a hustle them I look for. But dancehall's foundation is solid and it is not just a local music. Because I saw them market dancehall to the local demographic. Like only Uno alone you so like it. Especially in the girls. They must say only Uno like the music. Everybody else listen to something else. Them wrong. Dancehall is loved the world over. And not them thing I use to prove it. Big up Vybz Kartel. Big up Sika. Little Vybz, little Addy. Big up Renee. I mean, every track on the EP is a masterpiece. My favorite, however, of course, is Popular and Yeah You. Let me know why your favorite half of the EP, viewers and subscribers. Let me know if you look forward to see more music videos from that EP. Since right now for dancehall music are the only project we have a represent for an entire genre. Right? Look on it, it's an EP we have a represent for our entire genre for 2021. We got Vybz Kartel. Now 2020 drop the biggest. I'm gonna cure some people want to say the biggest sets of dancehall albums for 2020 and some other years too, depending upon how you want to look on it or you want to do your calculations. But in my personal opinion, you are entitled to yours. And you can drop it in the comment section. Feel free to do so. All if you are not in agreement with me. I don't want them people that tell me say you have to say what me I say. So drop a comment in the comment section. Talk what you feel. You're entitled to your opinion, but it will never affect mine. You're not gonna persuade me to change my opinion based on yours. And I am not looking to do the same with mine. We are present to you what take place as it take place. Billboard with it, I'm happy. So we stream and purchase, I'm happy. Of course. When you stream and purchase and you show your support to a specific thing and then to see it actually at work. Even when you yourself that consider this as the initial stages. Because right now I say you mean EP young. I say I have only 4 days left before we start see what I go on with the sales. And then we see Billboard forward out. And I say Ray. I have to say no. It's a good news. I have to talk to the people. I say this is a good news. When good news that we have to bring good news to the people. Some people don't go and talk when a gloom and doom. Some people want to say, oh, dancehall people don't like dancehall. Dancehall I support this, dancehall I promote that. No. And not only them time that we're gonna mention the good things. We're gonna point out when the teacher album I do extremely well. And truth be told, the teachers never put out a project when they do extremely well and represent for dancehall music, and them just don't want to highlight it. The music, the media play a blind eye. The musical accomplishments from dancehall artists, especially hardcore dancehall artists. If Sean Paul look at thing, maybe they will talk. I mean, if Sean Paul like running cabbage feet, I don't know what in promotion is like. But I know when dancehall artists, hardcore dancehall artists have certain accomplishments, the media don't want to highlight that. And as soon as something go wrong in them career, I that them want to highlight. Tell them the dancehall music I do extremely well. Vybz Kartel is at the forefront, and a Billboard the EP gone. 5 track set. I will still do it. 5 tracks. I still do it. And on an easy feat. And any artist can accomplish this. So some people say, but that yo, your favorite artist can't do it if I'm a Vybz Kartel they are talking about. Remember say other artists who me myself like them music, drop projects and they do what me they expect it to do. People them react that way. Vybz Kartel is not just a local household name, but a worldwide phenomenon, and I may point that out. When they have a talk about the things that they don't want people to talk about, viewers and subscribers. Keep a look out on the channel where they start bring the news on the need for ear. Not just the news where they might try to bring to you. But it's the one called Jayden, and yes, before we get there, continue to stream and purchase the tracks. Continue to show the support of dancehall music. Continue to tell a friend when a stream or purchase for them copy it. So if you go out there, available on all major platforms. But I said the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. I'm reminding you know if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But you like the reason and of course you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the red bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon there to drop a like on the vlog from a like or your ear. Share icon is in close proximity. Share it to the people out there, make them so are going. Comment section open 24/7. Drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions. That's up right there. And we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. You know the something go up more settings fam. And we no need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours is of course for to live, love, and prosper until we reason again. So, as I'm gonna say, continue to share, continue to support, continue to tell the people about the AP. Big up everybody who continue to support the channel. Live, love, and prosper until we reason again.